here's something you don't often hear in the same sentence: Apple and clearance or discounts. Now we're talking about Apple computer products, not the apples you eat. Apple rarely gives discounts or goes on sale, but we're fortunate enough today to be able to pass on some great savings on amazing Apple products. And not just any Apple products, we're talking about the latest models and the hottest devices. Here we have Apple MacBooks, the perfect device for anyone on the go. These MacBooks are incredibly light, have beautiful displays, and super fast performance. This MacBook here is the full price unit that you would find in any normal store. The MacBook on this side is a MacBook that's on sale today at a huge savings. A MacBook which is being sold at a huge savings. The two MacBooks are exactly alike, but one is much cheaper than the other. Now, I'm sure if I asked you if you wanted to pay full price for a MacBook or get an amazing discount, you would choose the discount. We all would. I want to show you how we're able to offer these Apple devices for such a low price today. This MacBook is what's called Apple Recertified. Apple Recertified devices are pre-owned Apple products which undergo Apple's stringent refurbishment process prior to being offered for sale. Both MacBooks, as you can see, look exactly the same. But let's get a close-up of the screens of both of these computers. As you see, they both have the same beautiful display and are super bright. The new one is again on this side, and the recertified MacBook is on this side. As we zoom in close, we can see there are no scratches or marks whatsoever. That's because of Apple's recertification process. When these units come back into Apple's factory, they are completely taken apart and all the important parts are replaced. That means you get a brand new battery, keyboard, casing, and even the screen is restored to perfect condition. What you end up with is a MacBook that looks, feels, and works exactly like new, but for a better than new price. Let's talk about warranty. With a typical used or refurbished product, you're lucky if you get a 30-day warranty. Not here. With Apple's recertification process, you get a full 1-year warranty and 90 days complimentary telephone technical support, just like a new product. What that means is if you have any problems, you just bring your device into an Apple store and problem solved. These are the boxes of two MacBooks. The new one again is on this side, and the recertified MacBook is on this side. If we open them up, we find that they both include brand new cables and chargers wrapped in plastic directly from Apple. So, with both MacBooks, you're able to connect these devices to all your other devices or charge them with the included wall charger. Again, the deal we're able to bring to you today is for a recertified Apple MacBook. This means that you get the same device, the same 1-year warranty, a new keyboard, a new battery, a new case, new cables, and a new wall charger, and all the amazing features and technology that you would find in any other store. The difference here is that you get